Hello everyone, what's going on? iTechX here with the very first unboxing and review video. So today we're going to be reviewing this mini Bluetooth speaker which I got for a whopping $5. Very cheap price indeed. I got this from a foreign country, so I got it in Morocco whilst I was on holiday. So now let's go into the specifications of this wireless Bluetooth speaker. So it supports an A2DP AVRCP headset and hands-free profile. Pretty much any speaker, any headset, with a working range of up to 10 meters, and it's a working time of 5 hours. The dimensions are 60 by 60 by 50 millimeters. It has a net weight of 230 grams. It's quite light. Speaker is 45 millimeters with a specified unit. Loudspeaker output is 3 watts, and the frequency response is 280 Hz to 16 kHz, with a signal to noise more than less than 95 decibels. The distortion of less than or equal to 0.5%. It has a battery voltage of 5,280 milliamps and a battery charging voltage of 5 volts plus minus 0.5 volts. And it has a battery charging time of 2 hours. No, isn't that great? Indeed. And look, very simple to charge. Just use this trusty USB. Using this trusty USB, you'll get this charged in a whopping of 2 hours or less. So, here is the power button. Here is the mic. Here is the mode, so auxiliary mode, Bluetooth mode, FM mode. Here's the minus, volume and fast forward button, the pause and play and dialer button, and back fast forward and plus button. Here is the USB for charging and auxiliary for playing music. Here's the headphone jack. Here's the USB to play your own favorite music or audio. Here's a micro SD to play your own favorite music and audio, same as USB. So, in terms of design, the bottom, I'd say the bottom third is made of plastic. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised that the bottom third is made from plastic. I'm surprised that the top 2/3 are made from steel. And the fact that this is $5 is quite astonishing. Now, what's even more astonishing is the sound. And, as I mentioned, the battery capacity before is at like 520 milliamps. That's very good because 520 milliamps. For this, it's about playing time of 5 hours. So now let's see the sound quality of this. I've already connected to my laptop, so here we go, guys. Yep, here we go. Here's the music. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, here's the music. Let's hear it for a minute, then I'll even judge it myself. So yeah, guys, that was the sound quality of this speaker, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, 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 please give me some advice, give me some suggestions down in that comment section. I really appreciate it, honestly, guys. Please do not hesitate to actually give me some advice on future videos that I'm going to make, because you know this is the start of my channel, and I want this to start well. Thank you very much for watching my video, and for any tech that you want me to review, please leave it down in the comment section. Do not hesitate. Do not hesitate. Leave it down in the comment section and I'll be with you. I'll also leave you with my business email because I love to hear your suggestions. I absolutely love to hear your suggestions. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, right? Peace out.